So welcome guys to another tutorial. This one I'll be showing you how to verify your ID dummy and IRS. Okay, take note, ID dummy plus IRS. So right here I have a verified ID dummy wallet. I verified this as a military account. So this is the first stage of verifying for IRS tax refund. Okay, take note of that. This is the first stage. So second stage is actually link this verified wallet to your IRS account and then verify your identity via a selfie. Okay, so you go to irs.gov, and mind you, I'm doing this on my RDP. Yes, this is to enable me have my complete anonymity. So sign into your account, then you go to sign into your online account, and then you sign in with ID dummy, or you can also create a new account. Okay, you can create a new account here and also verify with IRS regardless of whether the wallet, the IDME wallet is already verified. Okay, so I'm going to sign in with the wallet already verified. So remember, the first one I made, this was the demo account I created, so already verified an active wallet with it. So once you've logged in, you're going to require to enter a 6-digit code from your ID dummy authenticator app, which you're supposed to have linked to your ID dummy IRS as a two-factor authentication to tighten up your security, okay, for your IRS account ID dummy. So I'm going to enter the code from my authenticator app, and then I'll continue. And then it's going to take me to this page where it says verifying is fast and easy. Choose how you want to verify. Self-service video chat agent. You're going to choose the self-service option, which is the fastest option. And this requires a driver's license, state ID, passport card, selfie, and takes 5-10 minutes. So you continue. Now this is the tricky part. So you have to put in the cell phone of the client, the mobile number of the person that had access to the physical ID card, and the client will be getting the selfie. Now this mobile phone I need to have access to a web browser and also a camera, because the link will be sent to the cell phone. That link would enable the client to take a selfie and also upload the his or her identification card, which is state ID, driver's license, voter's card, whichever the case may be. Now, once you have completed this process successfully, your account will be verified with ID dummy and also IRS. So this is the second part of how to verify ID dummy account with IRS. Okay, the first part I dropped was just how to get a verified ID dummy wallet. Now the second part is linking it to your IRS. Okay, linking to your IRS, which you're going to use to access your tax refund. So take note, this is where it gets tricky. You need to send the link to the cell phone, and the cell phone needs to have a web browser and a camera to enable the client to upload their identification cards and also submit a selfie for video verification. Unless this process is completed, you will not have full access to the IRS website and your refund and whatnot. Okay, so I just want to make this quick video. So if you are new to the channel, subscribe, turn on post notification. I'll be dropping more and more video on this particular subject, and you can always reach me if you need RDPs, and also if you have issues verifying your ID dummy, reach me for the bypass method. And if you have info you want me to file for you, reach me. I'll assist you with the filing, and I really appreciate you guys for the support. So basically, this is the second part of how to verify your ID dummy account with IRS. As you can see, I'm doing this on my RDP, which is the safest way to do all of this.